Hello, hello, Hornets. This is a terrific Tuesday here at VCHS. We're your host, Jacob Bryant.
And I'm Addie. Let's start out with today's lunch. On this terrific Tuesday, we'll be enjoying French toast sticks, scrambled eggs, sausage, juice blend, tater tots, and you can't forget about that cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's national holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I am Brianna Clausen, and here are today's top 5 news stories. At number 1, a red fox slipped onto a cargo ship that sailed from England to New York and has been safely relocated to the Bronx Zoo. Number 2, lightning struck gas meter, sparking a fire next to a burn ban sign in Texas. Number 3, autonomous bulldozers are being tested to fight wildfires. Number 4, North Carolina School District supplying all buses with overdose response kits. Number 5, steel beam from World Trade Center to be displayed at Mount Rushmore this summer.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Gregarious. Of a person fond of company sociable.
Life is made of ever so many partings welded together. Charles Dickens.
With all the TV and movies watched over the break, we want to know, what is your favorite meme?
The Edwards, and my favorite meme would probably be, I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad. You keep digging.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad. You keep digging.
Hi, my name is Caleb. My favorite meme is, wait a minute, who are you?
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Gunner Friesen, and it'd be the seafood eat it one.
Hi, my name's Andrew Phillips. My favorite meme is probably when I'm looking for beans at 3 in the morning with the boys.
I'm Micah Martin, and my meme's probably like City Boy. I like City Boy. It's pretty cool.
City boy, city boy.
My name is Bailey Freeman, and my favorite meme at the moment is "Shut up, Mom."
Shut up, Mom! Silence from you. Okay. You're cut off from talking.
Hey, I'm Jesse. My favorite meme is the JoJo Siwa dance.
Speaking of breaks, some used it to catch up on schoolwork, others to get ready for events this week.
Prom tickets are now on sale. You can purchase them through My School Dance. The deadline to purchase is Wednesday, April 8th at 11:45. Prom is Saturday, April 11th at Mark Arts in Wichita. Attention seniors, graduation slideshow pictures are due Friday, April 24th at 3:00 p.m. Info is on Senior Google Classroom. Up next, it's time for Toon Tuesday.
With another warm spring day ahead, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I am Kelly, and here's today's weather. Today we will have a high of 69 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds and winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight we will have a low of 51 degrees and winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
April 7th, 1994. Civil war erupts in Rwanda, a day after its leader and the president of Burundi are killed in a mysterious plane crash. In the months that follow, hundreds of thousands of minority Tutsis and Hutu intellectuals are slaughtered in the Central African country. 1927. An audience in New York witnesses the first successful long-distance demonstration of television in the United States. They see Commerce Secretary and future President Herbert Hoover in images transmitted via telephone lines from Washington. 1947. Auto pioneer Henry Ford, father of the Model T car and the modern assembly line, dies in Dearborn, Michigan at age 83. 1949.
I'm gonna wash that man right out of my hair and send him on his way.
In New York, the Rodgers and Hammerstein musical South Pacific, starring Mary Martin, opens on Broadway. And 1915.
For you I'll cry, for you
Billie Holiday, Lady Day, one of the great jazz and blues singers of all time, is born in Philadelphia. Today in history, April 7th, Ed Donahue, The Associated Press.